Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right base for your surface and drying needs. Acrylic for fast work, oil for slow blending. Next, measure pigment versus medium. A 1:4 ratio gives good opacity without wasting paint. Once mixed with a palette knife, test a small swatch to confirm color and flow. Make sure to keep a clean rag and water or solvent at hand so you can adjust consistency quickly and avoid muddying the hue. You now refine hue and value deliberately. Add white sparingly to lighten, black in tiny fractions to darken. Small steps prevent overshooting. To change temperature or mute a shade, mix in about 5–10% of its complementary color. This shifts without losing identity. Once satisfied, test layering. If you want transparent depth, add glazing medium at around 10–30% of the mix. After each adjustment, apply a test stroke so you can see real behavior on your surface. You finish by applying paint with mindful brush loads. Too much and edges sag, too little and coverage falters. Decide. Blend wet on wet for smooth transitions, or build depth with thin glazes that dry between layers. Once done, step back and evaluate under good light. If a color reads wrong, lift it with the appropriate solvent or a dampened rag, then glaze a corrective tint rather than repainting. If stubborn staining occurs, sand and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.